In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully add a new account in QuickBooks Online. If you're just getting started with QuickBooks or looking to streamline your accounting process, this step-by-step guide will help you manage your finances more effectively. So, let's dive in and explore how you can do this with ease. First off, you need to log in to QuickBooks Online. Open your browser and type in quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you're there, sign in using your account credentials. You should see your dashboard once you successfully log in. Now, if you're having trouble logging in, make sure you're entering the correct email and password. If you forget your password, you can click on Forgot Password to reset it. Next, we'll head to the chart of accounts, which is essentially where all your accounts are listed. To do this, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a small cogwheel. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. Under the section labeled Your Company, you'll see an option called Chart of Accounts. Click on that. This is a crucial area where all your financial activities are categorized and organized. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts, you might notice a list of all current accounts. To add a new account, look towards the top right corner of your screen for a button labeled New. Give that a click. Adding a new account will help you keep your transactions organized and make your financial reports clear and accurate. We'll move on to the next step, which is entering the account details. You'll need to decide on this account-specific category known as the account type. This could be bank expense income or another type like other current asset. Choose the category that best fits the account you're adding. Then, you'll select the detail type. This adds even more specificity, helping you to identify the account's purpose more clearly. Once you've made those selections, enter the name of the account. It should be descriptive enough to reflect its purpose, like office supplies or checking account. You also have the option to add a description. This might be handy for providing additional context or notes. There's also the option to set an opening balance, and if applicable, you can assign a date for it. The sub-account option is useful if this new account should be linked to a broader parent account. Once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, it's time to save your changes. You have two options here. You can click Save and Close if you're done, or if you have more accounts to add, you can select Save and New. And there you go. So there we have it, a straightforward process to add an account in QuickBooks Online. This method ensures your financial data remains organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate QuickBooks with confidence.